Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make beer using fuzzy wire. Start by sanitizing all equipment and inspecting your fuzzy wire for damage. I'll walk you through heating a water mash, maintaining proper temperatures, and monitoring extraction times. We will cover fermentation basics, transferring to a sanitized carboy, and avoiding oxygen exposure. I'll also share simple tips for measuring gravity and adjusting bitterness so your brew turns out clean and tasty. Warm and friendly, I'll explain how to mash with fuzzy wire effectively without overwhelming technicalities. Gently place the fuzzy wire coil in your mash tun and use it to hold a steady temperature, aiming for a consistent enzyme-friendly range. Monitor with a reliable thermometer and stir periodically to ensure even conversion. After the mash, we'll sparge to rinse sugars, collect wort, and prepare for the boil with clear, practical steps you can follow. I'll take you through the boil, hop additions, and rapid cooling so your beer stays clean and flavorful. Use your fuzzy wire setup to maintain a vigorous, rolling boil and add hops according to your recipe schedule. After boiling, cool quickly to pitching temperature using a chiller or sanitized cold water bath to limit infection risk. Then pitch yeast gently, seal your fermenter, and keep fermentation steady for predictable results and pleasant aromas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.